In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HoneyBook 1099 tax documents. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with the business records you want to review, since tax documents and reporting are tied to that account's payment activity. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and click Finance. This is where HoneyBook keeps payment-related information, reports, and tax resources, so it's the right place to begin when you need year-end documents. After that, open the Tax Hub tab. The Tax Hub is designed to organize your tax-related documents and reports in one place, which makes it much easier to locate what you need without searching through unrelated financial data. At the top of the page, review the Tax Documents section. This area is where official tax forms, including 1099 documents when available, are typically listed. Take a moment to scan the section so you can see what has been generated for your account. Next, select the tax year from the Year drop-down menu. This is important because documents are separated by year, and choosing the correct year ensures you're looking at the right reporting period for your records or for filing purposes. Once you've selected the year, check whether a 1099 form is available. If you see a 1099 listed, click the download option next to the document. Downloading it directly from this section is the fastest way to access the official form if it has been issued for that year. If a 1099 form is not available, don't worry. Scroll down to the 1099 Reports section. This section provides supporting reports that can help you review your payment activity and gather tax-related information. Start by downloading Payments Processed Summary. This report gives you a broader overview and can be useful if you want a quick snapshot of processed payments. Then download Payments Processed Detailed List, which gives a more complete breakdown and is especially helpful if you need to review transaction-level details. From there, review any additional tax reports you may need, such as payments completed, sales tax, discounts, refunds, or fees charged. These reports can be useful for bookkeeping, tax preparation, or sharing details with an accountant. If you'd prefer to grab everything at once, click Download All Reports. This can save time and helps ensure you don't miss any available documents. Finally, save the downloaded files to your device in a location you'll remember, such as a tax folder for that year, so they're easy to find later when you need them. Thanks for watching.